I had a drum head in the material ironwood that I've been grinding. It was not efficient. It was wrapping, running me about 6 gallons an hour in fuel. I was at Dakota Fest in Mitchell, South Dakota, and Diamond had a booth there. Got to talking to them. Brad said he'd send a head out for me to try to see if it would work in the ironwood. We ran it in the ironwood. We had a couple of issues. Diamond was more than happy to get the issues of the wrapping problem taken care of, and it dropped my fuel consumption down to about 3 gallons an hour. It's fun to run. It's easy to run. It's productive, cost efficient for the material that I'm running in. It doesn't matter what species of trees that I'm in the hills and cleanup, beautification work. It doesn't matter, it'll do it all. Highly recommend one. Highly recommend one. When I first started this, I was running a drum head as well as a shear head. The diamond head, I've got both the shear head and the drum head sitting in the yard as lawn ornaments right now, because this one head will do all of it. Try one. It's well worth it.